Well, welcome back to Harburn Double O, or indeed welcome to Harburn Double O. This is number 3 in the series of the bungalow, and it's going to be the last one there, folks. So I'll show you how I've done the bits of the building Fusion 360 and also lightburn as well. This is a Fusion 360. This is the main one I use for designing complex parts 3D. I find it a lot easier than using lightburn. Lightburn tends to be best for 2D designs. So once I do the design, then I export it to lightburn as a DXF file. Now in Fusion 360, I've also got an add-in here, my utilities maker. I can also export it as a SVG as well. To do an export of a DXX file, you go to your sketches there, make sure the sketch is unlocked, just right click it and export as DXF, then you can import it into your lightburn. So once I open lightburn, I'll show you how to import the files. So this is the base of the roof itself, or it could be the ceiling of the bungalow. And you can see all the slots I've put in here. This is for the tabs to hold the roof trusses. So truss number 1, what you can see there, I'm putting the slots in here for the roof truss number 2 to come in as well. I'll put these little tabs on as well, top and bottom, so it can slide into the base. And if I put in roof truss number 2, you see they come in there. Now, technically speaking, I didn't have to do the 2 of them, I can only do 1. But to do the mass for the roof number 1, it's a lot easier to do it. And I'm seeing the maps there because what you can see there, folks, is it's got a gap, and I've overhang it by 2mm to clear the side of the roof, the building itself. I also done roof number 2, that little sliding slope as well there, folks. So that's the basic design in Fusion. This is lightburn there, folks. To get rid of this part here, if I just do function F12 on my computer, goes out. Now if I import the file, that comes in here. You got it in lightburn. I haven't had any problem putting DX files or SVG files with the size in lightburn. Cricut, different matter. You've always got to make sure these sizes are correct, because the Cricut machine will make your day, as they say. So that's that. Now if I open up the bungalow, what you can see here, folks, I've done 2 or 3 more drawings there. There's the bits and pieces of the roof trusses and the base plates, etc. And here, this is the ridge tiles. Basically, it has done an engraving across the tiles. It's done an engraving down the centre so they can bend up as well. Other ones I've done in here as well for the finishing the building off. Done little cornerstones. I haven't put the line down here as of yet. Just a little engraving line so it can crease down the centre. And the last but not least, come across here, you can see my roof tiles. This was quite a intricate design there, folks. Basically what I had to do was do a square. Done a square there. Then I went to an array and I kept the distance apart 0.1mm to give that a little definition there. And then I had to cut this line off here, put a big long square on top of it as well, and then cut out the individual ones again for the big long square. So that's the basics of the lightburn there, folks. So I'll take it across there to the workbench and we'll show you how I've done bits and pieces in the roof itself. Oh, here we have it, folks. This is a 0.3mm laser board by a company called Hobbarts, no sponsor of the channel. First thing I've done a little test cut to get the settings correct for it. As you can see, there's this material here at 40% there. We'll cut no problem at 753mm, so I'll have a wee touch there So I set it to 40% and I cut it at 800 minutes per millimetre. So it's not too bad there, folks. You can cut it a bit slower and a bit less power settings. That's just my diode laser, of course. I could have put in some lines here as a little guide for the roof tiles. This time again, I've done these in lightburn, in the laser board. So job now is to just glue in place and work my way up through the layout. I've put a little line here as a guide just for the centre. So I'll get the glue out and we'll start gluing and I'll bring back once it's all done. Well, that's it. The first side done there, folks. I'll rattle through and do the other three sides and put them all back together. More or less complete there, folks, apart from paint, of course. I've done the little soffit boards, they just glue in like so, and also I've done the windowsills, the 2mm windowsills. I'll probably put around 1 year they are. They'll just sit in there as well once they're painted, of course. And for the cornerstones of the building, I've done this one here, and this shows you in lightburn there, folks. They just stick on there and they cover up the edges, make the edges look quite nice. And as for the roof, it's all been tiled there, folks. I quite like this effect it has a tile there. I did put this one upside down, but it doesn't matter because it's got to get painted. So individual tiles on top here. So I think we can call this done, folks, apart from the paint. So if I do get it painted, I'll bring it back and show you at a later date, but I don't want you to do a video on just how to paint. There's plenty of videos out there for doing painting, folks. So hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, leave a comment, and we'll catch you again sometime. Cheers.